rural vitalization, transportation comes first. In order to thoroughly implement General Secretary Xi Jinping's important instructions on rural vitalization and the construction of 4 good rural roads, the General Office of the State Council, the National Development and Reform Commission, and the Ministry of Transport successfully issued programmatic documents to require improvement of the service quality, service efficiency, and the service functions of rural roads. Jiangyou actively responded to the call with improving the management efficacy of highways as a goal. Through in-depth planning and a careful layout, steadily promoted the construction of the intelligent transportation system. In the first phase of the project, Jiangyou, guided by the concept of Internet plus road traffic control, actively promoted the construction of off-site law enforcement system and built 6 monitoring points, 1 re-inspection station, and 1 data center in the jurisdiction. When a vehicle passes through the detection area, the detection system can automatically collect the license plate number, total weight, number of axles, and the speed of the vehicle. The relevant WIM information of the suspected overrun and overloaded vehicle will be displayed on the large LED screen in real time. The inspection system will upload relevant data, on-site photos and videos to the controlling and dispatching center of the intelligent transportation system simultaneously. The center will determine whether the vehicle is overloaded and over-dimensioned before sending the information of the vehicle to the re-inspection station. Law enforcement officers at the re-inspection station will intercept the over-dimensioned and overloaded vehicle at the secondary WIM point in time and ask to unload the cargo. After unloading, the vehicle will be weighed and reviewed again. The review information will be uploaded to the platform. The vehicle cannot leave until the platform data shows that it is not overloaded. Law enforcement officers will see relevant information about over-dimensioned and overloaded vehicles and submit the case for review. After the case is reviewed without any objection, the system will issue a notice of violation concerning over-dimensioned and overloaded vehicles and notify the driver to go to the law enforcement hall and deal with the violations by text message or email. After the driver signs and confirms the notice of violation, he will be fined or injured in accordance with the law. After that, all case materials will be uploaded to the system for approval and archived. The system builds up the mechanism of people guarding the points, car patrols and system control, and online discovery, early warning through systems, and offline interception, which has achieved the transformation from the traditional overloaded and over-dimensioned vehicle management by human wave attack to overloaded and overloaded vehicle management by technologies. Solving problems such as road hazards, road damage, and environmental damage caused by overloaded and overrun vehicles. In the second phase of the project, Jiangyou focuses on the creation of a demonstration county with 4 good rural roads, deeply promotes the information of the 4 good rural roads, insists on the maintenance and operation management at the main direction of the information of the 4 good rural roads, improves the management platform for 4 good rural roads, implements the early warning system for vehicle operation, driver status monitoring system, and real-time vehicle monitoring system for more than 500 shuttle buses in the city. Through intelligent supervision and dispatching, it has effectively reduced the violations in the vehicle operation and transportation in rural roads, reduced the occurrence of various accidents, improved the efficiency of vehicle emergency rescue, repair, and emergency management, and promoted the use of apps dedicated for rural road management. Law enforcement officers can monitor the operation of key bridges and the changes in highway due to geologic disasters in real time by mobile phone. The emergency plan will be automatically activated in a timely manner to ensure the traffic flow and the safety according to the actual situation. Building an efficient online and offline working mechanism for rural road inspections, processing, supervision, and feedback. Standardizing the maintenance process, realizing the integrated management of maintenance project, and effectively improving the level and efficiency of highway maintenance and management. On March 18, 2021, the General Office of the Sichuan Provincial People's Government announced the fourth batch of provincial-level demonstrative countries of 4 good rural roads. Jiangyou was listed. In the third phase of the project, with a coordinated and integrated development at the target, Jiangyou will continue to optimize the platform, build a new intelligent traffic management system, provide a more solid transportation guarantee for comprehensively promoting rural vitalization and accelerating the modernization of agriculture and rural areas, and promote the construction, management, maintenance, and operation of rural roads in the city to enter the new era of intelligent transportation.